to use the preset setting of adapt sound for those under 30 years old on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, while you are using your headphone or earbud, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find sound and vibration. Tap sound and vibration. Scroll down the screen. Tap sound quality and effect. Tap adapt sound. If this menu is still off, tap the gray on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. And then select under 30 years old. If needed, you can customize the setting for the option. To do so, tap the settings icon next to under 30 years old. Here you can set right ear or left ear for your preferred ear for calls, and select clear or soft for your sound preference. To see how the setting will sound, tap preview and then tap personalize and original to hear the difference. Given to the function, you can choose this option if you are under 30 years old and want to use the preset setting that matches with your age. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.